I was contacted by this company a couple weeks ago about trying out a fermentation kit. Now, I don't know how to pronounce the name, but it's Aieve. And they actually saw my channel and they thought that this kit might fit in good with some of the stuff that I do, seeing how I make sauerkraut stuff. So they shipped it out to me at no charge to me, and this is kind of my first use of it, and I've really wanted to get into this fermenting for quite some time now, and this really has been a great push to get me going. And as you can see here, it came with a little vacuum pump. There's a sauerkraut pounder, and then there are 6 of these airlock lids made for wide mouth mason jars. And they got this neat little thing on them where you can set the date so you don't forget exactly what date you started the fermentation. So that's really cool. And everything here really does look well made, and looks like that's going to be real handy also. So I went out and I bought some more half-gallon jugs. I figure I might as well start with half gallons if I'm going to do it. And these lids really, they fit any wide mouth jar. It stays submerged from what I understand. Otherwise it can get moldy and stuff. But now I'm getting pretty good at putting these lids on. They go on nice once you figure out how to thread start on them right and set the day on them. So I put them over in the corner where they won't get any sun, and I put them in a big plastic tray just in case they cook over like some of my fermenting does. And they're there. And then I went back once I had everything all settled in, and I took that vacuum pump and I just pulled any extra air out that was left in the jar there. So it created kind of a vacuum on it for them to get going there. And those airlocks are supposed to actually bleed off as the fermentation goes on. So the little pump does have a real nice vacuum on it and stuff. And I have to tell you, it does work with the those lid